There are many products available to choose from the best budget travel backpacks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best budget travel backpacks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tiding Full Grain Leather 17.3-inch Laptop Backpack for Men. Crafted from premium full-grain leather, the Tiding Laptop Backpack blends elegance with durability. Designed for professionals, it accommodates laptops up to 17.3 inches, making it ideal for business trips, meetings, or daily commutes. The spacious main compartment includes multiple slots for documents, gadgets, and accessories. A hidden zipper pocket ensures your valuables stay secure. Ergonomic padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel offer long-lasting comfort. Its timeless design, accented with high-quality YKK zippers and brass hardware, gives it a classic, rugged charm. Whether you're heading to work or traveling, this backpack offers a perfect mix of sophistication and function. Its sturdy construction ensures years of use while keeping your tech and essentials safe in style. Ideal for men who value quality and practical luxury. Number 2. Corin Anti-Theft Travel Backpack. The Corin Anti-Theft Travel Backpack is a sleek, secure solution for modern travelers. Featuring a minimalist design, this backpack includes hidden zippers, cut-resistant fabric, and lockable compartments to keep your belongings protected. It offers ample storage space for laptops up to 15.6 inches, tablets, and daily essentials. With built-in USB charging capabilities and an ergonomic design, it enhances both convenience and comfort on the go. The waterproof exterior keeps your items safe in unpredictable weather, while the smart organization inside helps you stay efficient. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily under airplane seats or in overhead bins. Whether you're commuting, exploring a city, or flying across the globe, this backpack combines safety, tech-friendly features, and modern aesthetics. Stay worry-free and stylish with the Corin Anti-Theft Backpack. Number 3. Fosa Vacuum Seal Compression Travel Backpack. Maximize packing space with the Fosa Vacuum Seal Compression Travel Backpack. Ideal for travelers who pack smart. This innovative backpack uses vacuum compression to reduce clothing volume, allowing you to fit more in less space. Simply roll and seal to compress bulkier items like jackets and sweaters. With a 30 to 45-liter expandable capacity, it's perfect for short getaways or extended trips. The water-resistant fabric and durable zippers ensure long-term reliability. A dedicated laptop sleeve, organized compartments, and easy-access pockets make traveling efficient. The padded shoulder straps and breathable back panel offer comfort during long hauls. TSA-friendly and lightweight, it easily slips into overhead compartments. If you're looking to travel light without sacrificing gear, the Fosa Compression Backpack offers function, flexibility, and a smart storage solution in one. Number 4. Swiss Gear Travel Tech Elite Laptop Backpack. Engineered for professionals on the move, the Swiss Gear Travel Tech Elite Backpack blends performance and protection. Its rugged polyester exterior shields against wear and weather, while padded compartments safely store laptops up to 17 inches. This tech-savvy backpack includes USB charging capability, RFID protection, and an organizer for cords, pens, and essentials. A ScanSmart lay-flat design makes airport security a breeze, while contoured shoulder straps and airflow back padding ensure comfort during long days. Side compression straps help stabilize your load, and dual water bottle holders add extra convenience. Built with Swiss precision and modern travelers in mind, this backpack is perfect for work, school, or global adventures. Stay connected, secure, and organized wherever your day takes you. Swissgear delivers durable design with elite functionality. Number 5. Talaxia Travel Laptop Backpack. The Talaxia Travel Laptop Backpack is your reliable companion for daily commutes or weekend escapes. Designed with functionality in mind, it features a spacious main compartment, padded laptop sleeve for devices up to 15.6 inches, and multiple inner pockets for seamless organization. Its anti-theft back pocket and durable, water-resistant fabric keep valuables secure and dry in any weather. An integrated USB port allows for on-the-go charging, while the luggage strap conveniently attaches to rolling suitcases. Lightweight and compact, it offers padded shoulder straps and a breathable mesh back for all-day comfort. Whether you're heading to school, the office, or a short trip, the Talaxia backpack blends convenience with modern features to meet your travel needs. It's practical, tech-friendly, and stylish, perfect for students and professionals alike. Number 6. Travel Backpack for Men, 40 liters. Spacious, durable, and designed for adventure, the 40-liter travel backpack for men is built to handle it all. With a large capacity design, it fits clothing, gear, and electronics for 3 to 5-day trips. Multiple compartments and mesh organizers ensure everything has its place, while a dedicated laptop sleeve keeps tech protected. Crafted from high-density, water-resistant material, it stands up to tough travel conditions. The backpack includes a USB charging port, breathable padded straps, and a luggage strap for added convenience. TSA-approved for carry-on, it's perfect for flights, road trips, or hikes. Its sleek yet rugged look works for business or outdoor travel. This 40-liter backpack offers the perfect balance of size, organization, and comfort, ideal for men who need room and reliability in one smart design. Number 7. Wolverine Lightweight, water-resistant, rugged backpack for travel or work. Designed for those who work hard and travel light, the Wolverine rugged backpack combines strength with comfort. Built with water-resistant ripstop polyester, it's made to withstand rough environments, perfect for job sites or outdoor adventures. The spacious main compartment holds work gear or travel essentials, while padded sleeves protect laptops and tablets. With reinforced stitching and durable zippers, this backpack handles heavy use with ease. Padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel reduce fatigue during long days. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry, and multiple compartments keep tools, gadgets, and documents organized. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or heading to the field, the Wolverine backpack offers dependable performance and all-day comfort. Rugged, functional, and ready for action. It's built for everyday toughness. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.